All right, very similar to that is a question on factorial, and the only difference would be instead of sum, it will be multiplication. And do not start the sum with 0. I'll do it now, and in the next clipping, we will understand that in detail. Yes, copy pasting, but when we know that we can. So for now, I'll just do a copy paste with small changes. Definitely, I need to give a different name of this work. Otherwise, we'll do be which work we are doing. I'll call it factorial. And I just need to make it star instead of addition. And as I said, begin the sum value from 1 and try to see what happens if we actually call the factorial. Same way we can call the result equal to obj.factorial and the 5, and then you display the result values. Now factorial 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It should be 120. You might ask, why do we discuss and do this all? Definitely we do this all to understand how do you apply your mind on loops to do the work. Is it necessary? With my experience now, I'll say it is optional because a lot of things are already available and you can use it. But I'll say if tomorrow you have to work on a new kind of the logic which is required, instead of running around others, you can probably try and make your own logic. That's the reason. It's good to do some practice. And anyway, that's not programming limited to only the, you call it data structure algorithms or logical questions and all that. It's not limited to that. We have much more to do. But for now, we can manage that. So I just want to see whether this factorial does work right or not. Should give me 120. I guess if it doesn't work, we'll see. I'm removing the breakpoint for now. And I'll just say continue. And it should have given 25. So, which means I should check if it is working, continue. Let's see if it is working fine. 120. All right. You can try for 6 instead of 5, which becomes 720. You can check on a calculator factorial of 6. Yeah, so working fine. In the next video clipping, we are going to understand how does it work and how our mind should have seen that we have to change from 0 to 1. All this is very minute details. We will compare these two questions. How does it? Yes, the mind works well when you compare two things on a deeper level. Once we are done with these two, well, then after that, I'll suggest you to work on a couple of questions. And after that, you will be probably very comfortable to move on to actual C# programming concepts. Thank you. Take care, all of you.